Listen, this is a brotherly announcement, a public announcement, whatever you want to call it. Do not start a business. If you don't want to put in the work, the capital into the business and the capital into yourself, do not start a business. Because let me tell you this. When I was 19, I thought I would just start a business and just get more clients and life would be better, right? But that was not the case. Clients do not just come to you. You don't just build it and they come. Unfortunately, you have to advertise, you have to invest either time, effort, or money. You have to choose either or. Now, when I was young, I invested time. I went out there and started prospecting everywhere. I would go to marketing events, you name it. But that was very slow. I spent 4 years without generating a single client. Sounds familiar? I think it does. So when I tried everything and it didn't work, I had to try the last thing, which is paying for ads. And at first it didn't. And when it didn't, I took it upon myself to make sure I know why it didn't. And 10 years later, I have figured out a 3-step framework that gets me clients every single time and clients that pay me for life. And because of it, I've turned one ad into $1.8 million. And I'm here to teach you how to do that. I've created a ads bootcamp to share with you the framework and everything I've done to actually get me to this level. All right, guys, test it out, try it, give me your feedback, and we'll see you on the inside.